everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to get remote access to your hacking targets by using ReverseShells with Netcat. Here I am using Windows as a virtual host and also an Kali Linux. So first of all, we should open Kali Linux and type this online tool for our PowerShell scriptings. RevShells.com. That's it. Here you can see it's open. Now initially when you are open this website, it shows another IP address. Here first of all you should know your IP address. So here I'm going to the terminal and type IP space add address for know your IP address. Here see you can say 192.168.1.82. This is my IP. So here I already given my IP address, and also whatever you want to use your port, you can use it. So now coming to the here we are using reverse. So here you can select all OSs. Here I'm taking Windows for suppose we are targeting the Windows 10. So we are using PowerShell, right? So here select the PowerShell #1. It will give the script and copy that script. And now go to the terminal and give the command as a touch and your file name as a ps. Here I am giving sudo touch ReverseShell.ps. After that it asking the password for the root user, give the root user, and now open that file, mousepad, and the file name as in ReverseShell.ps, and click on the enter. It will open the file, and now paste the script here and click on enter and save this file. Here I am replacing the file name as a ReverseShell.1.ps. Now go to the Windows command and type cmd, and it opens the command prompt. And now type here ipconfig to know the IP address of the system. Here you can see that 10.0.215. So we should change that into bridge adapter. It is in NAT. So if you want to change, you can change it in the machine settings in the network adapters. You can see here who I am. It's showing the desktop as a /ram, and also given the directory. You can see here it listed the folders that are in the Windows. Now open your Linux. Now first of all you should check that Netcat, copy that Netcat command. Here nc-lvp and port number, copy this command and go to the terminal and take another terminal. You can by click on Ctrl Shift plus T. It will create a new terminal and paste it. Now go to the another terminal and now type. You should move that file, ReverseShell file, into the HTML. So here I am using cp ReverseShell.ps and /var/www/html. I am moving that folder. So here it's asking the permission denied, it's asking the root privileges. Here I am giving the sudo cp and ReverseShell1.ps and the file folder name /var/www/html and slash. That's it. Enter. It's moved. So now we should completely move that file into the HTML folder. Now you can view through the cd /var/www/html. It will guide to that folder. You can see here it's moved, copied to their folder. Now you should start the Apache server. So here I am going back to the main path. So now first we should type systemctl start apache2.services and click on the enter. It's asking the password. Give your password and click on enter, and you can see it started. Now first you should check the status of the Apache 2 server. Same command systemctl status apache2.service. Here you can see it's active running. Now go to your browser and you can see here it's downloaded. Again I will download for you. Open any new tab and enter your IP address. As here my IP address is 192.168.1.82/ and file name ReverseShell1.ps. Click on enter. That's it. It's directly download the file. You can see. Now open that file in your file manager. Here it's in a download folder. If you have that directly execute with the PowerShell, you can execute. Here I do not have the direct execution of the PowerShell, so I am taking the notepad and copy that script and paste in the PowerShell. Now open the PowerShell. Here it's opening, and now paste that script here. Now when you are pasting that script, you should start your netcat command. See, it's listening. Now paste that script and click on the enter. Here I pasted and click on the enter. And now you can see in the Linux as it's connected. You can see here connected to 192.168.1.82 to 216. You can see that Windows is connected. Now you can give the commands to see the what remotely access or the Windows. You can see here pwd, and you can execute the who I am. Here I am executing who I am. You can see that desktop has a /rom. You can also again check into the Windows in cmd. Yes, here you can see who I am desktop. In Linux also the same Yeah, you can see here, that's it. Now type, if you want to know the IP address, type ipconfig. You can see here 216 as an IP address, and here also it's connected to the 216. That's it. After that we can also check for the system info. Type system info and it will shows the system information of the Windows. You can see everything as in a host name and also my OS name and also IP address and system type, everything here you can see. So now type directories. It will shows the folders in the Windows. You can see 3D objects, contacts, desktops and documents and downloads, favorites, like the folder. You can also view the any folder you want. Here I'm opening the CD downloads. Here it's showing the blank because there is nothing in the downloads, so that's why it's showing the blank. If is there any for anything file or anything, it will shows that here. And that's it. This is the one thing for the to get the Windows action. Now if you also want to get without PowerShell, you can also use MSFNM using the reverse TCP. You can execute here, copy these and also here paste that MS console and copy that MSVNM code and go to the terminal, and now take another terminal or else anything. Here I'm executing clear and now paste that and click on the enter. If you get the execution file as soon as fast, it is easy. Or else now execute like this. Go to that MSVNM. It will shows MSVNM versions. Here you can see that it should go to the redirect to the OPT as a Metasploit framework. So here I'm first of all starting my MSF console as a Metasploit framework. Type MS console. Starting, you can see here Metasploit is running. After that, as soon as the Metasploit framework is open, now type again MSVNM. It will shows the MSFVNM. It will shows against all the options above given here also in the Metasploit also. Here you can see them and when you copy that paste and again here paste the command in the from the website, you can see it's downloaded from the executing file reverse.exe. and now exit from the Metasploit framework. Type exit. You can exit. Now copy that folder, copy that reverse execution file into the where www/html, like as we before used in the Windows, same as it is. And give the file name reverse.exe and click on the enter. It will copy that file into the where file. It's asking password. Give the password. You can see it's copied. Now if you want to check, you can check as in cd space /where/www/html. and now go to the MSF console and ReverseShell.com to the website. Copy the command as an type of MS console, and now go to the terminal and take a new terminal and paste that and click on the enter. It starts listening from the MSF console. You can see I started. Now open your Windows machine. Here I'm closing. Yeah. After that, now open your browser and type 192.168.1.82/reverse.exe as an execution file. You should download that execution file. So here I'm typing that IP address and execution file name. You can see he's asking the file is malicious, so execute again if you want, or else keep. You can show more and keep anyway. You want to keep anyway, and it's downloaded. Now open that file. Here click on the more info. It will show the run anyway. Yeah, you can see here run anyway, and it's started running. Now you can open your MS of Kali Linux. You can see that connection is established. Now you can also play with that Windows machine, like executing commands pwd as well, or also who I am. You can see that connection is established. You can execute that help. It will show the what commands you can execute. Here I'm executing the shell to give the commands. I given the shell, and now you can easily enter into the Windows host. You can see C user ROM downloads. Yeah, you can see here. If you want to open in that directories, you can open. You can see here the files in the downloads. If you want to also check in the downloads in the Windows, you can check here. These are the files are in the downloads in Windows. Here it shows the files in the Windows host. And that's it for today, guys. This is the tool. You can use it in the any OS, Linux or Windows or Mac, anything. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for your patience, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends and family.